So today, I have a guest from California, Dougal Fraser. I'd like to interview you with beautiful courses you are going to put out for us in Japan for the first time.
I can't wait.
It is a 3 days color certificate course focusing on business and abundance.
Absolutely.
I am so excited about this course.
Me too.
And lots of people want to know about what are the differences between other color methods versus your color methods. Can you tell us about it?
I think most people are used to learning about the traditional Sanskrit colors, which are very powerful and important to learn about. My system is based on, as a clairvoyant, after 20 years of working with auras and seeing energy around people, I started to notice certain personality traits and ways that you could harness energy. So I'm talking more about soul energy and the auric field, and not only how you can use that with your clients, but in your own personal life, how you can use color and energy to attract things or change where you are.
Wow, so people are more be able to personalize teaching you give them. Wow, that's great. And I think that's what we needed, especially year 2017. People tend to focus on who am I and how can I contribute. So your color methods are going to help each individual to be able to really focus on your soul level and auric level to manifest their highest reality they want in business and abundance.
Exactly. And I think a lot of people get stuck sort of like in the vision phase where they know what they want to accomplish in their life on a spiritual level, but they don't know how to integrate it on the physical level.
Right.
And that's a large part of what we're doing, is how to integrate your ideas, your concepts, and what you want and making them reality.
Wow, that's good, because I think people are more excited to hear that. And could you tell us about your own personal story by utilizing your method? What changed, like what part of your lifestyle has changed before and after? Can you tell us about it?
Yeah, so all of my work always starts with working on self first, from self-love to spirituality to meditation. But I have found that when I go in and take the tools and concepts and try and use them every day in my personal life, that's when things start to change. So it may seem strange, but I don't go into a business situation thinking, how can I make money or how can I be abundant? I go into a business situation thinking, how can I express myself from my heart? How can I be my most authentic self? And I find when I align myself with that vibration, then prosperity follows afterwards.
Right.
So it's the unification of those two things that really bring significant change in our life.
So your method is simple enough so that people can utilize quickly into their daily life.
Right. Yeah. And I think, I believe that we have to use these things and these tools first before we can teach them.
Right.
So if you're a healer or a practitioner, in the workshops, we practice with each other.
Exactly.
So that we can understand the energy, so that when a client has a reaction to it, you've been through it on your own.
Right.
And then you can identify and sort of like as a tribe, support each other.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I love that part.
Yeah, I wish I can be there too. I hope I will be able to do that. So, so money follows after you utilize that color method. So that people tend to go money first, then try to do other method. But actually, you go from within the vibration of soul colors. Really have something to do with what you teach.
I believe that a large part of the connection between abundance and communication is really powerful.
Right.
How we express ourselves from our heart, from our core, being honest, being authentic. When we're clear in our vision, when we're clear in our communication, that's when we attract people to us. That's when we attract abundance and prosperity. So a large part of what we'd be looking at is energetically opening up that spiritual communication, that physical communication, so that people know you, they understand.
So lots of people are not sure about their soul color and vibration. And even they understand, they notice the color, but there is also purpose behind that soul color. So that you'll be teaching that part so that people will understand what's your purpose in their lives, then it becomes so clear. Then once you are clear in your soul level, be able to express clearly.
Yes.
That helps people to really receive abundance, attract abundance.
And I think sometimes people get shy, and I get shy. I can be in a social situation and someone says, what do you do for a living? And I get a little nervous saying I'm a psychic. But if I align myself with universal energy, if I align myself with a specific color that gives me confidence to express and to remove the fear, then I can express what I do with pride and then attract people who will vibrate at that same level.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's a law of attraction is going on through your soul vibration and with your expression connecting with your soul.
Yes.
That's what they are getting. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, now, then, would you please share with us what kind of changes have your clients who used your color method experienced?
So I've had a lot